आनी आतां खबरो विस्तारान. बुधवारा मंत्रिमंडळाची बसका जाली. मुखेलमंत्र्यान UD मंत्र्यांच्या वांगडा बुधवारा रियल एस्टेट रेग्युलेटरी ऑथॉरिटीच्या वेबसायटीचे लोकार्पण केले. 1 एप्रिलाच्यान टायम बाउंड सर्व्हिसेक सुरवात जातली. जरी तर संबंधीत अधिकारी ऑफिसराक वेळाच्या मुदतीन काम पुराय करपाक अपयस आयल्यार जनता ताच्या आड वचून कागाळ करपाक शकता. त्या ऑफिसराक आर्थीक फायन भरची पडटली म्हण ह्या वेळार मुखेलमंत्र्यान स्पश्ट केला. RDX खातीर परवरच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगेज.
You successfully loaded it online. 10 applications have come, so they will also balance also will load, and we hope this will smoothly follow. The last date of existing application should be loaded by 24th of February. भरपूर वेळ मेळ्ळो. आमी थोडेशे डिले जाल्ले आसा, but I think now डिले जालो असो सुद्दां देड सही दुरुस्त सही म्हणून जी म्हण आसा तशें वी आर ऑलरेडी नाव फुली प्रिपेर्ड फॉर टेकिंग द एप्लिकेशन एंड डिलिंग.
So whatever changes is supposed to solve them incorporated.
All changes and requests have been already incorporated. There are few more apprehensions, but those are linked with the act which we cannot change. The process has stalled. In fact, it is impacted my revenue also because of that. Lot of projects which are ongoing. There is a D-Day. Before we the project, if there was NOC, it was not taken into consideration. After that, all projects needs to be registered. Though we had shown willingness to register offline also, people preferred to wait for online.
So this will benefit the consumers also who would buy.
It will benefit more consumers because it puts this act puts strong restriction on how much money you can take, how much you can use, and for what purpose. Or speculative trading will stop. So आज consumer ची complaint करता पळय की सोसायटी करून दिवना, मागीर पैसे घेतले आनी फ्लॅट दिवना, all that will stop.
And how government?
Because only 70% maximum amount can be withdrawn from the advance payment, and that 70% also is based on certification of chartered architect, chartered engineers. So there is an authority, chartered accountant. They will certify that he has done so much work. Then only money will be released, even if he takes the advance from customer. There is one more advantage of customer getting a specified area based on a actual floor.
Business was just going helter-skelter. Nobody was accountable to anybody. They would offer a flat rate, say 45, then after some time increase the prices, not deliver in time, take 2 years beyond the prescribed time, the 3 वर्सां जाली, 4 वर्सां जाली. So the customer has to literally go from pillar to post to get his flat back.
Okay.
Online registration up to 28th of February.
Information and all.
Now we have started registration from yesterday. Culture registration start kala. It will go till end of February. By that time they all have to register. Then we'll know how many builders, real estate agents are there.
So compulsory then registerच करून जाय ना जाल्यार कितें जातलें?
They have no option. They have to register with RERA. If they want to do business, they have to go to RERA.
आनी कोणेन रजिस्टर करूंक ना आनी फावंड गिल्टी मेळ्ळे जाल्यार मागीर कितें एक्शन जाय?
Then the action is contemplated in the act.
What could be the action? Action.
There is penalties for them. It is not easy for them to not to register. That's why they were asking for more time. They were asking for 90 days now. They say 45 days is enough for them.